everybody, to week 29, assignment 3. As we've done all year long, every other week is typing, and then the other week is vocabulary. Last week we had vocabulary, so this week it is about typing. You should be practicing your typing. I don't give it as an assignment. There's no way for me to check to see if you do it. There's no way for me to check to see that you actually do the number that you submit. All I can say is that this is for you to get better so that it makes it easier for you to do not only this class, but any class. So you should be practicing, and there's no need to lie about what your numbers are, because I do not grade you on the actual number. I grade you on that you participated. So this week, like I said, is typing. I have many new students this week, so it's kind of like if you've been in my class, you'll do this. If not, you'll do this. So for the people who don't know, if you click here on typing website resources, there's a couple places, typing test, NitroType, typing.com, typingtest.com. If you can find a practice site, that is fine. This is just suggestions. I will say, for those who don't know, NitroType over the years has been a favorite of most of the classes. So what you're going to do is basically you are going to go to typingtest.com, no matter if you have been in my class or if you're new to my class, and you are going to take a typing test, a 1-minute timed typing test. And once you are done, you're going to copy and paste this sentence and fill it in your submission box. So over here, it would be my typing speed now is 26. My last typing speed was, if you have been in my class and you have been doing this and following along, you fill it in. If you are new to my class, you put the word new. So just so that I know. And then you have to set a goal, and my Q4 typing speed goal is, now if my number over here is 26, I do not expect you to say 50 over here. In general, you can move somewhere between probably 4 and 8 words in a quarter. So I would say if this is 26, go with 30 or 34. Do not do a really high number. Make it obtainable, and then it'll give you some incentive to continue to do it. All right, so it's pretty easy, but you should be practicing because you will be typing no matter what you do. There's very few jobs out there that you don't type. So if you can get good at it, just think of how much easier it is. You don't have to struggle. You don't have to just make it work. So anyway, have a wonderful week. Have a great day off. If I haven't seen you, talk to you. And if you have any problems or questions, please contact me, message me, and I will get back to you ASAP. Thanks.